Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, I. Brothers and sisters, greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like content, subscribe and make way to grow the platform. Now, I man say you get Slapweh by some soldier. You know, we can't show them video upon the thing, but we have a reason about it anyway. Cause we really don't know what go on in the mind of the youth them in that regard. So may I say, the eye them have to know say it easy for get liquor like that. You know, see it. The eye them have to put more value upon them life, Rasta. The eye them can't just, take on man with high power weapon them way there like we never see it happen before. And the eye them not see the result. You know, see it. Think, how much contribution the eye them could have been to the cause. The cause of them sort of issue there. The undervalue of the item life and things like that. But you have to stay alive. You have to stay alive. You have to stay in the fight, Rasta. We're not going to make it sound petty like, say, the Christmas too wicked. So, once and one, choose to go out that way there. Take the easy way out. See? But I them have to know, say, Rasta, the soldier and the police, them get license for kill. You see, and you hear the security minister, you hear the government itself blame the item for everything, all crime and violence. And the item, we not say the item no responsible, You see it. But we know say, the fish rotten from the head. A virgin stated like that the other day. I man usually say, if the head of the stream dirty, the whole thing are dirty. You see it. But the fish rotten from the head. And no responsibility is not being taken up there by these people. Nobody up there now take no responsibility for setting an example. Seeing? And the item get carelessly driven, into these type of things. Seeing? The item have to take the responsibility of them longevity in them own hand. Rasta, nobody else, no business, we don't know. Seeing? Me don't know if I him name Skilly Bang from down a south. But to the way him get thrown down. That's why we talk about it, because these things happen daily. See it. But the way them throw down the youth is, you definitely see say, there is no consequence for them type of thing that no more youth and youth. You have to take your own interest at heart. Me can't take on and, you know, like on one fight off. How kind of them thing they no acceptable either. You know, see, we see the security force them I go through a process. Allow them make them do what they might do. See? You see the argument is if you feel like say he is wronged by the officer them, defend it in a court. Go in a courthouse, go argue it and things like that. You have to get your day in a court. Now, you see the next thing what happen is that the man who the dead man gone defend still alive. You know see it, cause him just easy and a comply with the authority figure them. You know see it. But the man will go get himself involved, act like him is a liar and him intend to defend, you know, have a trial right there so and thing like that. Them just throw him down like piece of meat. You know see it. And it happened before, on many occasions, and what nothing now come out of it because of that on a life value. See, the Minister of Security, Orius Chang, him no support, him no have no connection, no compassionate connection with the community, with the wider community. It's obvious. You know, see, you know, it's a sticking plaster them man there try to put over a gaping wound. The way them address and approach matters of insecurity. You know, see, we know enough way it could have did happen better and get dealt with a lot better. See, I know we don't see no system set up where if counter the influence where draw the youth them in a criminality. We don't see nothing like that. We don't see nothing like them things. We don't see nothing from a government perspective where we are going to say, well, that a go on. So a youth for no say, him for, you know? No, we not support crime and violence and criminality. We not see that a manifesting and nothing real or nothing good for youth and youth. See, it's a way as black people when we take on criminality, I just feel like for the brag and the boast and them sort of thing there. Every other race, every other nation, when them take it on for develop the next generation where come after them, so that's them themselves now have to come do them sort of thing there. We take it up for a boss. So there is no way you can't ever even think. Even if that was the case, we could not think to glamorize it anyway. But somehow we would have a bit of tolerance for it and know, say, boy, you know, see, the man hustling money and he might educate him youth them to send to school. But some man just do it, get all in it, and then, when I say get old, OLD, old in it. And when him can't run up and down no more or chat off him mouth no more, him influence him son, him nephew them, and the whole family, if it becomes, you know, the replacement. And that we do with badness. And it's sad. It's sickening. You get what I say? When you look upon how the Italian them do it, everybody else, afraid to call some people name because as they call them name these days, them own everything. So as you mess with them, as you call them name, you can't even call them name, you can't even mention nothing where them do, be it right or wrong. See? So we are going to model the thing off of the Italian them. You think it's tired, them are done, them reach the peak of where them did a look for in a gangsterism. And now it's corporate. You know see it, for them badness gone corporate. Our youth, our people, them feel like so well then, is a thing where lasts forever and supposed to last forever. Pass it down as an inheritance and them start a thing there. It's stupid. You know? It's stupid and hurtful. There is no plan, no escape clause. We buy into the stereotype and fit it properly. You know, this is the way. This is the only way. And yeah, again, it's not acceptable, Rasta. It mediocre. You know, see it? Do you remember see the soldier them throw down the man in the street, Rasta? In front of everybody. You know, there is no consequence to that. You know, see it? Then again, you see, all of this, when we look on more than anything else, all of this are open knowledge, you know. Think of Skillibeng them same name, you know. All of this are open knowledge where the man them know say this is the case. Why put yourself in a situation like that, Rasta? Is it the white rum? Is it the rum and cheap boom and the cheap knockoff NSC where I sell? We have to ask them question, the Rasta. The man them can't argue with them life, so I gonna fight off the security forces, them and thing. And I agree with them thing there. No, tell me something now. If it was a gunman or some gunman I walk down the street with them high power weapon there in them hand, and them do I say something where the eye them not like. I see them where the eye them out, fight them off like that. No, you nah do that. You nah bomb buckler do that. Why you want to take on the man them we have the license, the authority for kill you know? It don't make sense, Rasta. And then the crowd they like, so well then, you know, like them egg and the whole thing. You should have grab back all the youth, them man and make him know. And even when so done, Rasta, the police, the soldier, them are daily there. After that, you walk where you march again, like, so well then, turn all your back on them. It's like, what the man, them a think. You can't think so now punk out another Jamaican with high power weapon and it'll just go so. And them a Jamaican too, them a same ghetto you like you too. The same mentality them grew up with. Enough of them go train and so that's them and become member of the forces, so that's them get the license for work with them thing openly and do what them a do without consequence. If they eye them now factor in them thing there in the whole process, a waste of time, a waste of life. And nobody can't too sorry for you, because you know what you do before you do it. You know see it, Rasta? The man, them have to have sense, man. I better, you know what? Yeah, because you know chill and build when you see gunman, rifle gunman, I walk past. You know chill. Yeah? Or me can't just, you know, build and make the soldier them do what them a do. Rasta. Me can't, you know. The soldier them have the law for deal it back them to a great extent, and again, like me say, it's a historic thing when them walk away from them thing there without any form of consequence. You see, we don't know the full extent of the story because the person where I film it shady, but it a run around on the internet, on Twitter mainly, and them way there. Regular. I mean, you know, from morning. Seeing? It hurtful, Rasta. Can't say a young youth, give him life like them think they like man, them just a live for say 25, from when you reach 25, when you know want to see 30 and all them way there. I idiot thing that. You know, see, this is not about blaming the soldier or the police them. See, right here now, man, I ask the youth them to think using a brain, man. You have to be militant. No militants in a dead, sir. No militants in a that, Rasta. See, whether the soldier them wrong or right, this is not what we are dealing. We are dealing with the man them. We are step to them and argue and you know, offend them because you don't know what offending them is. You see it, regardless if it lawful or no. You see it, the can't step to rifleman them way, the man where no Rasta. No, I want parents, I want family and friend left with the, you know, for deal with the trauma. You know see it? Youth and youth, no wise up, man. No matter how you not step with phone thing at night time, I wanna feel like say that no go no that no go no that no make no cement, that no make no steel. You know see it? That no turn on in a steel Rasta. It hurtful, man. A full time for the man them, you know, develop a certain mannerism, man, a little militancy Rasta. You know? Them things happen forever. Man, man just open a dead door and just walk through it, gone and gone do what him do and not plan for come back. I hear that thing that Rasta. I hear that thing that, man. You see a youth crumple up on the floor like that, it just seem alive and then you quench your eye and him lifeless up on the ground. You know, if it's not like so there is even a flutter before him life. You know see it, him dead before him hit the ground. You know see it? It don't make no sense, youth and youth, man. You know, it don't make no sense, man. Come on, man. It's hurtful, Rasta. When I have to think about the people them where we are got responsible for dealing what come next. You know see it? The security force them, man, you know, here where the debt minister say, man, Orius Chang, look for some more fatality amongst the item. Look for some more fatality. Wanna expect, wanna think the secret meeting was. We don't hear no open argument regarding that. You know, open definition of what I mean by that. I'm supposed to read between the lines, Rasta. And that me say about the thing, Rasta. It hurtful, Rasta. We give thanks there.